In today's video, oh my goodness, you can't see me, can you? Well, trust me, folks, I'm here. No, what is happening with that? Okay, oh, I know what happened. There we go. That's a little challenging when I zoom. I'll figure it out. It's going to be better than ever day. In today's video, we're going to be joined by Tassos Marinos from tassos.gr, and he's going to show his newest extension, Smile Pack. And we're really excited about that. I know many of you are too, because we have more people than ever waiting for the live stream to start. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream number 257 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, migrate them. If you're looking to happen, my volume's all over here. All right, I'll work on that in a second. If you're looking to hire, if you're looking to hire someone short term, long term, or just get yourself out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get that free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing. Okay. Oh my goodness. There we go. I'm back. Yes, I don't think I have my mic set up for the mysites.guru logo page yet. It's a little tricky here when I do the when I have someone on Facebook, but it's better than ever because I got some tips from Unique. Anyways, today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. All right, now, yes, I'm getting better at Facebook, but obviously it's not super duper here, so... Okay, that's now let's see if I can get rid of my, okay, I gotta remove pin. Here I am. There he is. Tassos, welcome.
It's great to be here on your channel again.
Yeah, we were just talking. It was 3 years ago that you were on here, and that has the replay's been viewed. What did we say? 4,100 times, was it? Tassos's volume is great. Okay, I'm not sure what's up with mine. I'll turn up my speaker a bit, but I'm not going to be talking much. Anyways, yeah, so Tassos, the last time he was here, was not married. He's married now, has a 2-year-old daughter, and that's very exciting. Tassos, you want to tell us a bit about where you are, what life's like there, your Joomla story? Tell us your, your banking information, whatever it is you want to share with everybody.
Well, I'm doing well. My family is well. The business is running smoothly. We have been quite busy with the launch of Smile Pack over the last few months, but things are starting to return to normal now. Well,
keep going.
I've been involved with Joomla since its early Mambo days, and for the past 10 years, I've dedicated my career to Joomla extensions. I can call myself a developer and Joomla product owner. I don't like to talk too much about me. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation for everything you do for the Joomla community. For anyone working with Joomla, and I know countless people, myself included, that have benefited from them. And I want to thank you for showcasing my extensions and especially convert forms in multiple videos, because this exposure is incredibly valuable. And I'm sure it has helped many Joomla users discover a powerful tool.
Well, that's very kind of you to say. You're very welcome, and I'm excited and happy to be part of the Joomla community and to be able to contribute. I want to say hi to everyone in chat here. We got Ivor, Bjorn, Hollis, oh my goodness, Allison. Sorry, Allison. I saw that. I was just reading names and I thought, what's Allison's name? Allison. So Tassos, Prosoft, Cerveza, Thomas. Did I say Ivor? Oh yeah, we got Ivor at the beginning. Anyways, welcome everybody. We're gonna have a chance to ask Tassos questions, so just go ahead and put them in chat, and we will get to them later on at the end. Tassos, how many people are you solo? Do you have any employees? What's it look like in your business?
And one-man show. We are 3 people working at the Tassos company right now.
Okay. All right. Well,
a really small company.
Yeah, small company. Cool. All right. Now I'm gonna figure out how to make myself disappear here. I think I do this. I right click, I hide self view, and there you go. Now you've frozen a couple times, but I think it maybe that's just a temporary thing. But Stefan and Thomas, welcome.
I hope so.
Chat. Yeah. All right. Well, you've got the screen. Go ahead and talk and share when you're ready, and show us this new extension.
Okay. So here I'm here to talk about our new extension, SmilePack. SmilePack is a collection of all the cool modules and tools you need to build a cool website. From galleries, maps, videos, accordions to payment buttons and more. SmilePack also goes beyond cool widgets. It has a feature called Smart Tags, which is familiar to ConvertForms and Engagebox users. Smart Tags lets you insert cool info into your content, making it dynamic and personalized. If you want to show the current date or the visitor's location or even details from a logged in user, Smart Tags can help you with it. You can use them pretty much anywhere you can type on your site, but they shine when building modules. For instance, imagine a PayPal button that grabs product details straight from your article, or a video that displays different videos based on the URL. With Smart Tags, the possibilities are endless. And speaking of possibilities, we've got some exciting features coming down. First up, shortcodes for every single module. And I'm not referring to those building Joomla shortcode modules that requires you to create the module first. I'm referring to these shortcodes that will let you control all the settings directly within the code. And then we are planning conditional logic for modules. Using conditional logic, you can show or hide modules based on various factors, such as where the visitors are coming from, how they found your site, or even what device they use. This helps you create a more personalized and targeted experience for your users. So SmilePack essentially helps you make your website more exciting and keeps your visitors happy. Why we created SmilePack? Here's the thing: we have been building tools and features for our Joomla products for years. We made countdown timers, maps, videos, tabs, and more. All this cool stuff was hidden inside our framework, including features like conditional logic and smart tags. So then it hit us. Why not share these awesome tools with everyone?
Oh, Tassos, you're frozen there for a second. So we will just wait for his internet to come back.
Most of the work was already...
Tassos, I wonder if you have a program that's running that's checking mail or doing something every couple seconds because you're frozen right now. I know since you're frozen, you won't be able to hear me, so it's going to suddenly kick in at some point. Oh, you're back. Did you hear that? You'll hear me say it in a second. And then we'll pick up at the point where this is the joys of live streaming, everybody. Let's see here. Okay, I'll pop on here so anyone watching a replay knows that something's going on here. He's working on it, but you know, he's a great brain in Joomla, so he's going to figure it out. I should sit back a bit. I look like I'm a giant compared to him if I sit forward. So, yes, we can hear you. Oh, sorry, can we hear you? Yeah. Now I'm just chatting in Facebook to everyone. If you want to just hold on for a second. Let's see. Yes.
Why is that?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Is my internet back now? Because I don't see any problem here.
Yeah, I think what's happening is you're freezing, so I think it's either your internet or something that was sending. So I don't know if you heard me ask if maybe you have another program open that's checking mail every now and then.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I believe I've closed everything here now.
Okay. Yeah. It just looks
okay.
like
Can we
legs,
continue
so.
now? Okay.
Yeah, the part where you cut out. The part where you cut out was when you said you were developing all those tools and the other extensions, but they were hidden, and that's when you froze. So if you want to pick it up from there.
Yeah. As I said, all this cool stuff was hidden inside our framework. So including features like conditional logic and smart tags, it hit us. And we asked ourselves, why not share these awesome tools with everybody, since most of the work was already done? So another reason we built SmilePack is that we needed ourselves. As Joomla software providers, we need all sorts of things to create our site, like you. Galleries to showcase product screenshots, videos to explain features, tabs to organize information, or accordions for organizing frequently asked questions and more. So luckily, as I said previously, we had all these features already built into our framework. So we used them to create the product pages on our site. This process gave us a taste of the challenges you face when building sites. And it helped us create an extension that solves real problem for real people. That's always the first reason we try to develop products. We need them, and we are our first customers. So only then you love a product, when you see it from a customer's perspective. So while the Joomla extensions directory offers numerous tools, you may ask why choose SmilePack when functionalities like maps, videos already exist in the market. Over the years, we have identified key pain points that both you and we as Joomla administrators have likely faced. Imagine managing multiple extensions for galleries and videos and maps from different developers. SmilePack combines all these functionalities into a single extension. You just need to install, manage, and update one extension. We try to use the same user interface and design principles in all modules. Master it once and apply that knowledge to every module. Think of a consistent design that makes SmilePack easy to understand. We also understand the burden of solving problems on your site, and wasting time on technical issues with an extension should not be part of your day. Instead, focus on growing your business while we handle the rest. Essentially, with SmilePack, we have a single point of contact. Do you have an issue with your map? Contact us. Is your gallery not behaving as expected? Contact us. In SmilePack, also, we prioritize performance from the ground up. We leverage the Joomla API for optimal efficiency and utilize lightweight CSS and JavaScript files to minimize the impact on page load times. We do not use third-party libraries, heavy third-party libraries like jQuery, Modules, or React. SmilePack is also 100% responsive and mobile ready. We even utilize lazy loading techniques that makes widgets or modules load only when needed. And as with the rest of our Joomla products, the roadmap for SmilePack is publicly available on our site. So we actively accept feature requests, allowing you to influence which features are implemented in updates. If you're considering, for instance, switching from your current map solution or video to SmilePack, but you notice we are missing a feature, let us know what you need. And we will gladly consider adding it into our roadmap. Okay, let's set aside the philosophical talk for now and dive into action and explore SmilePack's capabilities together.
Show me the money.
Share my screen now. Okay. Please confirm that you see my screen.
I do.
Okay.
There's some comments being made here. Bjorn says, "Nice intro." I think you like, and I'm Giacomo Barlatani. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that. He says, "Tassos is the Socrates of the Joomla developers. Is an awesome guy and a very talented coder."
Thank you for your kind words. Okay. Although SmilePack is a collection of modules, it also includes a component that serves as the extensions dashboard. Here you can find an overview of all available and upcoming features, as well as links to our documentation pages. In the first tab, in the modules tab, you can see all the installed modules with that blue toggle, and those we are currently working on are marked with coming soon badge. Let's start by looking at the video module. This unique all-in-one module helps you embed YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and self-hosted videos with the same module. Let's see how we can easily embed a YouTube video. While you are in your Joomla dashboard, go to Content, Site Modules, and click New. Search for video and pick SmilePack video here. Let me set a name for my module. Let's say it's my video, and position it to main bottom. As I said previously, SmilePack module supports multiple video providers, or you can see it here. For this case, I'm focusing on YouTube. All you have to do is to simply paste the YouTube video URL here. And when we paste the URL in the input, we see a video preview below. This helps confirm that we are using the correct video. Let's hit save and head over to the front end. Scroll down. Okay. Our video works pretty fine, but this is just basic configuration. Let's explore some secret features that make this video module unique. What makes this module special is its smart lazy loading technique. This feature ensures that heavy video provider scripts only load when the video enters the viewport, which the viewport is essentially the visible area of your screen. This is fantastic news for visitors with slower connections, keeping your website fast. But how can we verify this? Right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. That opens up your browser's developer console. Navigate to the Network tab to inspect network activity. In the filter input here, just write YouTube. This will make the network activity filter the activity related to assets with that keyword. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see here, initially, only a tiny smile pack script loads, which keeps things speedy. And as you scroll down the video, the page, only then the video comes into the display area. Only when the video comes into the display area of your screen, the YouTube player script kicks in. This optimization is crucial for SEO, where page speed is, I believe, the most crucial ranking factor nowadays. Let me close now for the developer console now, and let's make this video autoplay. To do so, all we have to do is to go to the Configuration tab and click Autoplay. But this is not enough. Modern browsers are picky about autoplay for a good reason. To ensure smooth playback, we also need to enable mute. Let's save the module now and refresh the front end. And the video now automatically plays, but it's muted. And you can always unmute it if you wish. So here's another problem. Have you ever gotten annoyed scrolling down or up a page while a video plays in the background and you can't stop it? You can't find it to stop it. SmilePack fixes that with the auto pause feature. Once you enable this option here, the video will automatically pause when it scrolls out of the view. This is also fantastic for pop-ups. When you use a video within a pop-up and you close that pop-up, the video will automatically pause. Another feature that concerns user experience is cover images. Cover images is crucial for slower connections as well. When you embed videos from third-party providers like YouTube or Vimeo, users on slower connections can experience reduced page speed. Instead of loading the video player immediately, you can display a lightweight cover image for the video. The video will load only when the user clicks on the cover image. Here's how we can make this happen? While we are in the configuration tab, scroll down to the cover image section. Here, we have two options. The auto option essentially tells display the high quality video thumbnail generated by YouTube, or if you choose the custom option, you are free to upload your own custom cover image. For this use case, I'm going to select the auto feature, the auto option, save the module and refresh the front end. Oh no, I need to first disable the autoplay option. And here now, our video is not actually loaded. You only see the thumbnail generated by YouTube. And only when you click on it, on the play icon, then only the video player loads. Another option I'd like to highlight here is this one, the enhanced privacy mode. This option prevents your website from storing visitor information until they play the video. In the case of YouTube, the video will load from the youtube-nocookie.com domain, which reduces cookie usage and enhances user privacy. That's all for the video module. Please let me know if you use a video provider we don't currently support. And
I like how clean
it will work considering.
I like how clean the options are there, just to see them, set them, change them.
Yeah. Let's proceed. Let's proceed with the next module, the accordion module. Accordions, in my humble opinion, is a fantastic way to organize and present information on your website. Our module uses vertically collapsing panels, which is perfect for frequently asked questions, product features, or any content that benefits from a structured layout. To add an accordion, let's go back to site modules, click New, search for accordion, and pick the Smilepack accordion module. Let me enter a title for this module, FAQ, position it to main top, and all we have to do is to add our content in the content tab. Give me a minute to add some dummy questions and answers. All right.
Well, okay, okay, good. I was just going to say something, but that's okay.
I have added 3 questions and answers, and let's save the module. Refresh the front end, and here we go. This is the accordion I just created. By default, all panels of our accordion are collapsed when you initially load the page. To encourage exploration and provide immediate access to the most common question, which is in most cases is the first one, we can set the first panel to be expanded. Here's how to do it. Just go to the module settings and scroll down to the behavior tab. Here in the initial state option, you have 3 options. This is where you decide how your accordion panel will look when the page loads. You can have all panels collapsed, all panels expanded, or the first panel, just the first panel expanded. And this is the option I'm going to choose for now. Click Save, refresh the front end, and that's it. The first one, the first panel is opened by default. An accordion is often used to display frequently asked questions, like in this example. If you're working on improving your SEO, you may be familiar with structured data and schema vocabulary. One important schema type is the FAQ schema, which helps you mark up your content in that way that allows search engines like Google to understand your content. This can increase your chances of appearing as a rich snippet in the search results. These rich snippets can include the question and answer directly on the search results page, which makes your website more appealing and informative to users. Our module includes integration with the Google Structured Data extension. There's an option which, once enabled, will automatically generate the FAQ schema for your accordion. Here's how to do it. While you are in the module settings, scroll down to the behavior section again, and all you have to do is to enable this option, FAQ structured data. Of course, in order to work this option, you must have installed the Google Structured Data extension. Let's save the module now and refresh the front end. But of course, you can't see any change here. We need to verify that it works. Right-click anywhere on the page and click View Page Source. Using your keyboard, press Command A and Command C to copy the whole page and go to the Rich Results Test tool provided by Google. Switch to the Code tab, and here you need to paste the code you previously copied and click Test Code. This takes a few seconds for the results. Okay, great. The Rich Results Test tool identified the FAQ schema here. And as you can see, it includes all the 3 questions and answers from the accordion. All right, enough with the accordion module. Now, I want to show you how to create dynamic maps. SmilePack comes with a map module, with a powerful map module that lets you create maps with multiple locations using various map providers like Google Maps, OpenStreetMap, and Bing Maps. Imagine this. You are building a website about the vibrant cities of Europe. You want to visually engage your audience by letting them explore these destinations on an interactive map. Let's create that map. Go back to modules, click new, search for map, and the Smilepack map module is supposed to show up. Click on it. That's it. Let me enter a title here, European cities. Position the module to main top. For this case, I want to publish the module only on the home page. Okay. All right. The map module offers you the flexibility to choose your preferred map provider. For this case, I'm going to keep the OpenStreetMap selected. So all you have to do now is to populate our map with markers. Let's add them. To do so, you need to go to the Map Editor tab. Smilepack's Map Editor simplifies this process with 3 convenient methods. First of all, you can search by address in this input here. Simply type the address of a city into the search bar, and then the editor will suggest matching locations, allow you to add them with a single click. So let's add some location using this method. I'm going to add Spain, Madrid. Click Add Map. Germany, Berlin. Okay. And France, Paris. All right. If you know exactly where you want a marker, you can right-click on that spot on the map and click Add to Map. Let's add another location using this method. I'm going to add Athens. Right-click here and Add Marker. That's it. There are cases, but when the marker's position the marker's position on the map is not that accurate, so you can always adjust it by dragging it to the correct location here.
That's too
if you
easy.
also need, yeah. If you also need to add several locations at once, use the import function. Just paste a list of addresses or coordinates, one per line. To do so, click on this 3-dot icon and click Import. Let me copy some addresses I've prepared.
Will this do street addresses as well?
Yes. Street addresses, a country name, city name, or even coordinates separated by a comma. Okay, now all we have to do is click Import. And the markers added. The import-export function here can be used also to transfer markers between modules on the same site or different sites. So let's save our module and see it in action on the front end. Here we go. This is our module, which is based on OpenStreetMap. You can also click on any marker and info window appears with the title. You can also add some descriptions here if you want. So now, let's say that you don't want to use OpenStreetMap anymore, and you would like something more advanced, like Google Maps. With a single click, you can switch providers without creating another module or losing your settings or markers. All you have to do is to just click Google Maps here and save your module. Refresh, and that's it. Your map is now based on Google Maps. Now, I want to show you an awesome feature of the map module. A feature for those who use custom fields and the advanced custom fields extension on their site. Imagine you have a collection of European cities. A collection of articles showcasing some vibrant European cities, like the example on my screen. When you click on an article, it's on a city article, you will see not only some text for the article, but also a map with the city's location on that map. How does it work? This works with custom fields. If we go to content fields section, you will notice an ACF map here, which I have prepared. This custom field is assigned to each city article, pinpointing its location on a map within that article. Now, wouldn't it be amazing to have a single map location, to have a single map automatically displaying all these markers? Let's see how we can reconfigure the map module to make that happen. Head back to site modules, click, first of all, let me unpublish the Accordion module. Click the European cities module we have previously created, and click on the markers tab. By default, the populate markers option you see here is set to manually, which essentially tells that you need to add the markers one by one in the map editor, as we did previously. But here's a magic trick. SmilePack lets you leverage ACF. Simply switch the populate markers option to via ACF map field. And all you have to do is to select the custom field we saw previously, which in our case is this one, the EU city map, to make the map automatically be populated by the markers from the custom field. So let's save the module, refresh the front end. Let's go back to homepage. And now our map is populated with markers linked to the custom field, which creates a dynamic experience. When you click on that marker, you see the markers label, which is a backlink to the article itself. For this case, it's Paris. We can go back and select Vienna, Austria, or Madrid. This is really cool feature for those who utilize custom fields.
Well, and that's really powerful, because if you have your site set up and you have people signing up for profiles and they put their location on a map in it, it automatically updates. You don't have something separate that you have to go and maintain.
Yes, correct. You just configure the module once and you leave it. And every time you add an article or a new user account, boom, the map module is updated.
And it's really slick too, because it's a pain to set up these maps that say, let's suppose you're doing a website for an organization that has 10 locations around the world, or 20 locations in the country, and all you need to do is have the all of their addresses and simply import them, or set up their locations and put the addresses in, and it's automatically there. And that's amazing.
And I want to highlight again that how user-friendly this map editor in the backend is. It really stands out from the competition. I believe you haven't seen a map solution that's so easy and fun to work with. Okay, now I will walk you through creating a photo gallery. The photo galleries, everybody knows, it's a great way to add responsive and mobile-friendly galleries to your site. And Smilebox module helps you do this with just a few minutes. So let's click New, search for gallery, and pick the Smilebox gallery. Let's enter a title here, my gallery. Position the module again to main top. Now, the first thing is to add some images. To do so, just go to the gallery tab. To upload images, either click the Add Images button here or drag and drop your images into the uploader container. For this example, I will select some beautiful nature images from my computer. Okay, the images are uploaded. Now you might want to add some existing photos from your site too. To do this, click the down arrow here and click Browse Media Library. This opens up the Joomla built-in media manager, so you can select your existing photos as well. So let's click those two and click Select. Okay, my photos are okay. Let's save the module now and see what happens on the front end. Okay, I would like to reduce a little bit the thumbnail size here to 100. Refresh. All right. Our gallery now uses the default grid layout, which obviously is a common and popular layout for photo galleries. In this layout, images are cropped to a square, to a specific width and height, and arranged in columns. Rows and columns are perfectly aligned, creating a balanced and organized look. With a grid, if you go to the settings, in the module settings, you will see the grid option is set to auto. Using this option, the photos are positioned side by side, with each line comprising as many photos as fit, and extra photos will move to the new line. If this default layout doesn't fit your site's design, you can change it to a fixed number of columns. Let's set the gallery to always display in 4 columns. To do so, go to the grid option, select columns, and enter 4. Save, refresh, and that's it. Upon refreshing the pages, the gallery is now organized into 4 columns. But displaying 4 columns might not be ideal for smaller screens, like mobile devices. To adjust the gallery for mobile resolutions, follow these steps. Scroll down again in the grid option here and click on the device action here. Select mobile and set set the grid to 2 columns and save the module. Refresh. When you refresh the page, the changes might not be immediately visible. However, inspecting your site on a smaller screen you will see the gallery adapt to 2 columns. And when you have a larger screen, gets back to 4 columns. That's how you create responsive galleries using the map gallery of SmilePack. Let's see something else now. A must-have feature of a photo gallery is the Lightbox feature. When you click on a thumbnail, a Lightbox pop-up opens, showing the large version of the image. You can navigate through the images using the arrows. You can drag the mouse or even use keyboard arrows. Also, mobile users can swipe left and right to navigate through images. Images in the Lightbox are zoomable. When an image larger than your screen, you can click on it to enable zoom, and now you can drag and see different parts of the image. The Lightbox displays the large image of the large image you originally uploaded at its original dimensions. If your images are very large, this can be a problem. You can configure the module to resize the large images. For example, you can make the module to resize all images to a width, for instance, 1000 pixels. To do so, go to the module settings, scroll down to the Lightbox section, and change the image size from maintain original image to resize by width, and enter your desired width here, 1000 pixels. Save, refresh, and now all our images, but not all our images, only the larger images, larger than 1000 pixels, are scaled down to 1000 pixels by default. The Lightbox feature is available.
You're also getting messed up there by the ones that are vertical and not horizontal, so that's what's getting you.
I'm sorry?
The images that are vertical orientation, they're not 1000 wide, so that's how you're getting messed up on those.
Yes, those images are not touched. Because, for instance, this one is not 1000 pixels width.
Right.
So we don't scale up smaller images if you want to resize by width. The Lightbox feature is available with any gallery layout. It uses the Lightbox script, which is a very small, at only 10 kilobyte gzip, and it does not depend on jQuery. This is crucial. And of course, this feature is optional. You can always turn it off if you prefer not to use it. Now let's try a different layout. The grid layout generates square images with specific width and height, which often results to cropping important details of the image. This can be unacceptable even at a thumbnail level, since I believe most of your pictures are likely not square. You might want to avoid cropping. Fortunately, there is a solution, and the name is masonry layout. This layout preserves the original look of your photos and presents them as they were shot. The masonry layout arranges images into several columns, each containing a different number of images. And of course, as I said previously, most importantly, images maintain their original aspect ratios, preventing any distortion. So all we have to do is to select the masonry layout here and click Save. Refresh. That's it. This layout is ideal for creative photos, for creative portfolios, photography, websites, and blogs. You may also prefer a horizontal arrangement of your images. If this layout fits better your site, try the justified layout. This layout is the horizontal version of the masonry layout. And like masonry, it maintains the original aspect ratio of the images. Using this layout, images are arranged into several rows instead of columns, each row targeting a specific height. And the number of images in each row varies automatically. So the row's height will scale dynamically with a small deviation depending on the images. So let's select the justified layout and click Save. Refresh the page, and that's it. We have now a horizontal version of our gallery, our photo gallery. And the last one, if you're looking for a more minimal layout that displays one image at a time and that allows users to focus on each image without distractions, use the slideshow layout, this one. This is perfect for highlighting features, featured images, or telling a visual story. It is ideal for home pages, for the hero section of the home page, and of course, portfolios. In our case, let me refresh the front end to see it in a slideshow. In our case, the photos I have uploaded may not be suitable for a slideshow, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to switch from a typical photo gallery layout to slideshow. Using this layout, users can navigate through images using the left and right buttons. And of course, the dots appearing at the bottom area of the slideshow, which creates a more creates an engaging experience. However, you can also enable an extra navigation tool through thumbnails. Let's see how this works. Let's go back to the module settings and click to enable this option, show thumbnails. Save, refresh, and now you see a thumbs gallery below the slideshow that can act as an extra navigation control. As you saw, switching between different layouts is very easy. You don't need to re-upload or resize your images to the correct dimension. The module handles all changes automatically on every save. To optimize your images for Google, you need to add alt descriptions to each image. This, of course, as everyone knows, this helps Google to understand your images better and make them increase the chances of appearing in the search results. So let's add some attributes, descriptions to some of the images. To do so, go to the Gallery tab, and all you have to do is to fill this input below each image. Let me write some dummy text here. This is my alt desk. and here and here. That's all. That's all. And I want to mention an exciting update for this option. We plan to introduce a feature that uses AI to automatically generate these alt descriptions, which, of course, will save you even more time.
Does is there a way to apply? Is there a way to apply links to each image?
Actually, this input concerns the alt attribute, which it's only visible for crawlers, for bots. Mm-hmm. But of course, if you click on the edit icon here, another option, a pop-up window appears where you can write some more description here that supports HTML in the Lightbox description. I will talk about this in a few minutes.
Oh, okay. I'll be patient then.
Okay, thank you. Let me show you something else. Our module also offers filtering tags, which are useful for galleries with many photos. These tags helps users find what they are looking for quickly and easily. Let's add some tags to our photos. To do so, mouse over your image mouse over your each image and click on this edit on this pencil icon to open up the pop-up description, the gallery item window. I'm sorry. And all you have to do is to go to this one option, the tags option, and create or select some existing tags. For this case, I'm going to pick up some existing tags here. For instance, millions. I'm going to save this image. Select the worldwide. Save. Edit this image. Select Joomla. And of course, you can select multiple tags. Save. Let's, okay, we have associated some tags to our images. Now we need to enable the filtering tags option. All we have to do is to go to this tab here and either click the above gallery items or below gallery items and click Save. Refresh the page, and now there is a navigation bar with tags. When you click on a tag, you only see the photos associated with that tag. You can always customize the filtering tag's position, either top or bottom. You can change the sorting method of the tags. And of course, you can also hide or rename the all link, which comes first. Tags can be managed through the core tags component, as you do with the Joomla articles or the Joomla users component. Our module offers also watermarking capabilities, which protects your images. Watermarking also helps preventing unauthorized use of your images, which ensures your work is properly credited. You can add either text or an image as a watermark. Here's how to add a text watermark. Go to the Watermark Images tab and select text in the watermark type. In the watermark text, let's set it to site name and click Save. Refresh. And by default, the watermark is only applied to the Lightbox version of the image. So when you click, I have the Lightbox option disabled. I need to re-enable now. Okay. Resave the module. Refresh. And that's it. As you can see here, in the right bottom corner of each image, my site's name is used as the watermark in all images. Let's change the watermark to an image and also apply it to the thumbnails. To do so, go to the Watermark Images tab, select Image here in the watermark type, and select your image you want to use as a watermark. Let's select this one. And I want now the opacity to be 100. And save the module. Refresh. Okay, this does not work now because I haven't applied on thumbnails option. Save. Okay, refresh. And that's it. Now you will see our logo applied to the thumbnails and, of course, to the Lightbox version. If you change your mind, you don't need to re-upload the images. Just go back and disable the watermark, and that's it. All right. Enough with the modules. Now, I want to make a brief intro to another feature of SmilePack, which is Smart Tags. Smart Tags are like little pieces of code that add relevant info into your content. Similar how programmers use variables. Their main job is to help you create personalized content. With Smart Tags, you can add things like the current date and time, the visitor's IP address, the device type or country, the current page URL, title, and of course, information from the logged in user, and of lots of other info without the need of a programmer. If you are using Convert Forms and Engagebox, you are probably already using Smart Tags within your forms and pop-ups. However, these Smart Tags can only be used within these extensions. But what if you want to use Smart Tags in an article or a module? That's where SmilePack comes in. SmilePack lets you use Smart Tags site-wide, and pretty much anywhere you can write text, such as articles, modules, and forms. To find all the available Smart Tags, all you have to do is to go to the Smart Tags tab here in the SmilePack dashboard. Clicking on the first column here copies the Smart Tag into the clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you want. Also, if you click in the read more link here, you will go straight to the section on our documentation page where you can find more details of the shortcode syntax and information about Smart Tags in general. Let's see now some practical examples, some real use cases with Smart Tags. Imagine you have an article like your company's terms of service page, and you want to display the last modified date at the end of the article. The easiest a way to do so is every time you edit the article, you simply update the date manually, right? But there is a better way. Let's go to content articles. Let's pick this one. To output the last modified date of an article, use the SP article modified smart tag like this. So I have already done this. So let's save this article and see what it displays on the front end. Scroll down your template here. Let me first unpublish the gallery module. Okay. Okay, here, as you can see, the smart tag now outputs the date the article modified, the last date the article modified. So that's how we have a dynamic and more personalized content. Using the article smart tag, you can retrieve information about the Joomla article, including a title, the description, images, or even custom fields. All smart tags in Smilepack must be written with the SP prefix. I'd like to note now that we plan to implement a more user-friendly way to insert smart tags into your content. So you won't need to manually copy and paste shortcodes or remember them. Let's see another example. Suppose you run an e-commerce site and you want to advertise your free shipping offer. Instead of displaying a generic free shipping everywhere message, you want to personalize it by including the visitor's country name. Here's how to do this. Let's go back to site modules and create a new custom module. Set the title to free shipping. Let's position it to right, sidebar right. And for the text, I want to write something like this: enjoy free shipping to, and now we need to pull the visitor's country name. To do so, we need to use this smart tag, spgeo.country. Let's save the module, refresh. No, I have a typo here.
Yeah.
Geo.
No, you have two U's in country.
geo.country, save. All right. As you can see, the smart tag correctly identified my location as Greece here. And users, of course, from US, Spain, or France will see the respective country instead. With the geolocation smart tag, you can output not only the country name, but also the country code, city, and region. Let's see a last one, use case. Sometimes you want to display information from the logged in user, like their name, email address, or a custom field. Let's create a module that greets the user by their name. I'm going to create another custom module Now I will name the module to hello. I will position it to, again, sidebar right. And for the greeting, I will write something like this: welcome back. And here I need to pull the first name of the logged in user. So the smart tag syntax is sp space user dot first name. Save the module. In order for this to work, I need, of course, obviously, I need to be logged in. So let's log in now. No. All right. Now, as you can see, the module writes welcome back Tassos. The shortcode identified my username, my name, and replaced the smart tag with my name. And something last for now, I want to emphasize that smart tags can be used almost anywhere you can write text. So here, in this example, we can output the first name in another area. For instance, we can type it here. You can output in the module's title. Refresh, and that's it. We can print smart tags into the module's title as well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me showcase our new extension. Smilepack simplifies website creation by allowing you to manage everything from a single extension. I have shown you some really cool parts of it, like video, accordion, map, as well as some short intro of smart tags. I did not showcase the PayPal module and the smart tags features in detail to avoid overwhelming you with too much information. But both the PayPal module and smart tags are powerful features that require more time to explore fully. And if Tim agrees, we can arrange another session to explore these features in depth.
Absolutely. I would love to have you come back and show more. You just tell me. That's an invitation I have to lots of developers. If you want to come on and show your stuff, I'm happy to do that.
Why not?
Okay, so
I guess we have time to answer any questions.
Yeah, let's see here. Well, let's leave the screen sharing on, and let's see. And then, yeah, so let's, I've been making some notes and questions here, so let me just go down here. Back to the video one, Allison asked, is it possible to do the video 100% width of the screen?
I guess so. Let me check.
Don't forget to publish it too. Oh, okay, you're going back into that.
Yes, there is a width option here. All you have to do is select the percent option here and type 100.
Okay.
That's it.
Great. Excellent. She also suggests, mentioned another possible source might be TikTok videos.
Oh, yeah, cool. It's a nice idea. Why not?
Yeah, and actually, some of these comments are probably feature requests. So, can you you want to just show us how people can ask submit feature requests? What's the best way? So, for instance, a couple of months ago, I asked you if Turnstile from Cloudflare was going to be a CAPTCHA option. and you said there was a request already in, and that I could vote for it, and if there's enough, it would get bumped to the top. So how can people, and we'll get to these other questions, but how can people submit ideas or requests to you? What's the best way? You want to show us?
Just use the contact form on our site.
Okay, just go to tassos.gr.
That's it.
Contact.
Yeah.
And you've got a topic there, probably is in a drop down.
You can also ask in the community in Facebook, in our Facebook group.
Yeah, you have a Facebook.
There is no special form for requesting a feature, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, you just ask and it gets taken care of, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, someone asked.
And turnstile of Cloud-first turnstile is already on our roadmap, and I believe you have some. We have our 10 or 12 requests, so it's definitely going to be implemented.
So someone makes a request. Today is Thursday. No, today is Wednesday. You program it tomorrow, and it's on the site on Friday. That's how it works, right?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So, and then I think just on the maps, there was some discussion about changing the marker colors or the pins. Thomas said that you can upload a different graphic for the pins. Is that something inside the module itself, or is that something you upload?
This is something we do not support at the moment, but it's a really useful feature, and we can add it to our to-do list. Why not?
All right, so they can email and through the form and say they'd love to change the markers on that. Great.
Yeah. Please submit feature requests we will note it down, and if we get enough requests for every feature, we will definitely implement it.
Okay. Now, about the gallery, Thomas asked, are photos from the media folder copied to the gallery, or does the gallery use the path to them?
Yes. The photos are copied.
Okay.
We do not use references to the existing photos, because imagine accidentally you remove some images using FTP client. Your gallery is now broken. So for this reason, we copy the images to the gallery's destination folder.
Okay. And I got these out of order here because this next one from Thomas was actually to do with the map, about a feature request for SVG markers and different markers for each marker. So that's something that he can ask for. Gallery, and I asked this, is there a way to have the different images in the gallery linked to a different URL if you click on them?
No, this functionality is not supported.
All right, that's something for me to drop you an email and ask. Great. Also, now you have in advanced custom fields, you have a gallery field, correct?
Correct.
Does the gallery in SmilePack draw from that as a source, possibly?
Both galleries in SmilePack and ACF are actually the same interface, the same code. So when we build a feature, expect to be arrived in both extensions. If we fix a bug, expect to be fixed in both extensions.
Okay.
That's how we implement most of the features in these two extensions, ACF and SmilePack.
Bjorn asked, can you customize the gallery to use the thumb instead of a full large images for clicking on? Can you
Um,
can you customize to use the thumb instead of the full large images for clicking on? Oh, you mean for
I
the
do
light?
not
I think he
understand
means
that.
I think he means for the light box. If you clicked on the thumb, I could be wrong.
Yes.
We'll see if I've got that right. And Bjorn has pasted in the
If
chat the link to your Facebook group there. So yeah. So maybe Bjorn, if I didn't ask that correct, if you want to try to clarify that. Oh, yeah, the small images. I'm not sure.
the link in the chat points to the
Oh,
homepage of our group, so I can find more details about your
I see. Oh,
question. But
he's talking about smaller images, lower kilobytes. So I think
if you don't need the Lightbox, you can always disable it and just display your photos using a grid layout. That's it. And of course, you can increase or lower the width or height of the thumbnails to fit your website layout.
okay. And he said okay in chat there. Good. Now, Imran, I think this is probably going to be a feature request. Does it support WebP or auto convert to WebP of images? So I think what he's
We
asking
do
is
support WebP format, but we do not convert images to WebP format.
okay. And he was
That's something we need to explore for a future update, as WebP is really a fantastic compression algorithm. It
yeah.
reduces the image file size a lot.
Okay. Yeah, so Imran, there's another one for you to ask. And he also mentioned about having a little animation with the tags filter when you click on a tag and they change some kind of
Yeah,
animation to it.
for now we do not use animations, just
Okay.
a simple show height.
I think Bjorn was talking about. Oh, maybe this is it. In the gallery, the thumbnail images. Are they loading the full images? The thumbnails.
No. It's
Okay.
a thumbnail version, a smaller version where you can
Okay.
you have the full control of the width. You can by default the module resizes and
Okay.
generates a thumbnail version.
Okay. Now in smart tags, Ivers asked, "Can you use smart tags in articles?" Because you were anywhere the editor is, you can use a
Yes.
smart tag, correct? Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
correct.
do, do you know if smart tags work in UTheme? Someone asked that. I didn't get their name.
To be
Oh,
honest,
Adoa.
I haven't tested it yet. But remember this: uh, we listen. The Joomla API has an event called prepare content. If an extension makes use of that event, it will work.
Okay.
And I encourage all developers out there, please use that event. So other extensions, other developers can hook into your extensions and manipulate, modify the output.
Okay. A message to developers, and I knew that was a message to developers because I didn't quite understand it, but that's okay because I don't have to.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, you're getting lots of. All right, so Adoa has said Efcharisto. That is Greek for.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, that's Greek for thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Ευχαριστώ.
yes. Okay. Yeah, Bjorn. There's lots of people. You can see it there in chat. Imran asks, "Are your modules overrideable? Can they do layout overrides in your module?"
Yes, they are overrideable, but we use our own override layout system. For the reasons I have written the reasons in a detailed article on our site why we use our own layout or our own override layout system. But yes, they are overrideable.
And people could adjust the CSS on a module as well. So, for instance, in the FAQ, if they want the question to appear differently, they would just do some custom CSS on it, right?
Sure, you can always adjust the layout, the style to fit your design style. And we try to always use CSS variables so to make your life easier and write less CSS code.
Okay. Well, I think that is all of the questions there. Adoa says, is it possible to show only 5 thumbs from a gallery of 100 images?
No, it's not possible, but we are looking to explore the idea of having a pagination. So you can display only a certain number of images on each page.
Okay. And Bjorn says, is Smile Pack in the bundle product?
Smile Pack is one product, but it includes several modules in it. It's not a bundle product. You can't. You cannot buy, for instance, only the gallery module. You need to buy a Smile Pack.
Okay, but I think what he's asking is now, and if you want to go through just pricing on your page while you have it up, that's fine. You're more than welcome to, because I don't mind extension developers. I don't mind extension developers selling, but you have a pack for all your extensions, right? So maybe a bundle of all, and Smile Pack is included in that bundle for all extensions?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes. The bundle plan includes all our extensions and any extension we may make in the future.
Yeah, that was nice. When you put that out, I thought, oh, I'd like to look at that. And I thought, oh, wait, I have the bundle. I bet you it's included. And it was. So, but I haven't looked at it yet because I've been waiting for you to do this. All right, so I'm going to stop the screen share here. Oh, maybe I won't. Maybe you...
I can stop.
Oh, there we go. I figured it out. And then I'm going to show myself. There I am. I'm going to sit back here so that I don't have a big, gigantic head. Anyways, yeah. So lots of good comments. And everybody, there's a little heart in chat there. You want to hit that heart. Let's fire off some hearts for this as well. Not only because Tassos deserves hearts, but who knows? Maybe YouTube will say, oh, people really like this. We're going to show it to more people. Adoa says, are the widgets something like particles and gantry?
Yeah, sort of. You can consider our modules like this. Yeah.
Okay.
And I would like to note that we call them widgets in our product page because, as I said in the beginning of the live, we plan to introduce shortcodes where you can render any of these modules using dedicated shortcodes. So in Smile Pack, a widget, a tool, can be used as a typical module or will be used as a shortcode. And another thing I'd like to point out is that you might not have seen everything Smile Pack can do. So that's why we offer a free version that lets you explore all the modules, although with some limitations. This lets you experience the power firsthand before if you decide to upgrade to the Pro version.
Okay. Yeah, now Ivor asks, he already has some single packages. If he buys the bundle, how will the expiry date be adjusted? So
Um,
if I have a single license of convert forms and it expires in 2 months, and then I buy the
mhm.
and then I go for the bundle, is there some adjustment, or do you know how that works?
There is there is a price adjustment.
Okay.
What does that mean? If your subscription expires in 2 months, we take that unused time and convert it to a discount, which can be used to upgrade to bundle. So in that way, the you don't use any time, any subscription time or money, and the bundle subscription time starts immediately.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. This has been great. I can tell from I've been just checking the stream stats here, and this might end up being my most popular live stream already for people watching live. We've had a lot of people and a lot of people sticking around for the whole thing. So that is great. I appreciate you coming on here. I would love to have you on and to show the other things, and we'll talk. Stick around after I end the stream. You and I'll just talk just very briefly. But I know it's late there in Greece. But so I'm going to play a little bit of sad music. I won't be able to hear you while that music's playing. So
Okay.
everybody hates the sad music at the end anyway. So I'll shorten it this time. But there's lots of people in there thanking you, Hollis and Adoa. Lots of people in there. And yeah, everybody, thanks for your support of this channel. So let me just line up the things that I need to click here to make this all happen. Yeah, so Tassos, thank you very much. Thanks for all that you do for the
Thanks
Joomla
for
community.
having me, Tim.
Thanks for awesome extensions. I was looking, Convert Forms is number 2 for most popular extension on the extension directory. It is behind Akiba Backup, which is number 1, and number 3 I think it used to be Sitemap, JSitemap Pro, but actually, have you looked to see what number 3 is lately behind Convert Forms?
Mm, I'm not sure.
It's RS
I,
Forms Pro, so you better get going, buddy. You gotta get to the people. No, that's it.
we will try
That's
our
another.
best.
There's a lot of people that like that as well. It's very common. But all right. Hey, Alex, good to see you today. And I think Stefan I saw earlier. All right, everybody. That's a wrap for today's live stream. Thanks for your support and of this channel. Thanks for being here today and making my Wednesday great as well. So as usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, evening, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.